Hello everyone, welcome back to Hashtag Solution. Today I will show you some powerful CMD commands that most people don't know, but every Windows user should. These commands help you to manage Wi-Fi passwords, monitor your network, fix system issue, and even check your laptop battery health. Let's jump right in. To open command prompt on your start menu, type CMD. And some commands will require administrator rights, so run it as admin. First, let's see all Wi-Fi networks on your computer that has ever connected. Just type this command, net ulan show profiles, then enter. This command will list every saved Wi-Fi profile on your device. You see the Wi-Fi name here. If you just want to see the password for your specific Wi-Fi network, just type this. Replace the profile name with your Wi-Fi name. Just let's see the password for BB. And on the key contents part, you will see the plain text password of your Wi-Fi. If you want to extract all Wi-Fi passwords at once, here we will run a batch file. Open Notepad, then paste this command. I will copy this on the comment link, then save it as a batch file. Let's keep the name password .bat then save it. Then go to the file. Here is the file, open it. So here you will see all the stored Wi-Fi passwords displayed instantly. You will see the SSID name and it is plain text password. Here is the second profile, SSID name and plain text password. If you want to open File Explorer directly from CMD, just go to the directory. Let's go to desktop. Then type Explorer, space dots. Then enter. This will open the folder you are currently in, which is super useful when managing files through the terminal. And similarly, you can also open CMD directly from File Explorer just by typing CMD in the address bar. Then on the address bar, type CMD, then press enter. It will directly open the CMD with this directory. Just to customize command prompt colors, let's type this color. Let's check the options. For any help that you want to see, type the command, then after space / then question mark. You will see all available options here. So let's make it green, for example. Then color 2. You see you can change the command prompt color with this command. The next command is to view full network configurations. So if you want to see complete detail about your network adapter, IP and DNS types, please type this ipconfig /all. This will give you your IP address, default gateway, DHCP servers, MAC address, and more. These are essential for diagnosing connectivity problems. If you ever face issues loading to websites, just try cleaning your DNS by this command ipconfig //DNS. This will refresh your DNS, fixing many network problems instantly. To test your internet connection or server eligibility, just type this ping space, then the server IP or its DNS name. You will see the statics, how many packets were sent, how many packets were received, and including the response time. So higher time may means a network delay. So to check internet connection and your connectivity with servers, please use this command. If you want to shut down or restart your computer, just use this command, shutdown. As see, if you want your PC to be shut down after 60 seconds, just type this. At the end, type 60. And similarly for restart, just replace S with R. So this will restart your PC after 60 seconds. So you can manage the timing based on your preference. If you want to copy any command prompt output directly to your clipboard, just use this command. After running any command, at the end type clip. Like if I want to check my connection, just type ipconfig. Then clip. This will copy all network informations, so you can paste it into Notepad instantly. Let's open Notepad here. And I can paste it here. So this is super handy for documentation. If you want to scan and repair disk errors, just type this command, check disk, FR. So this command will find and repair corrupted sectors on your drive. After running, please make sure you restart your PC to let it complete. If your system feels slow or unstable, just run this command to scan for system file errors. SFC scan now. So this scans all system files and automatically repair missing or corrupted ones. It is like giving Windows a quick health check. Here is a command every laptop user should know. To check your battery life and health, type this. This will generate a full battery health report and save it as an HTML file. The file path is here. Open that file in a browser to see battery wear, capacity, and usage history. Go to browser and paste here the path. You will see the full battery reports here. Your design capacity, charge capacity, cycle count, and battery usage details. So there you have it, some of the most powerful CMD commands that can make your Windows experience smarter and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Solution for more tech tutorial and pro tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.